Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. See, these boxes don't talk like a commercial. But you guys can add it to your wish list, add it to your shopping cart. They'll ship this off to you really fast. Take advantage of the Prime's fast and free shipping, and you'll get one of these in no time. Definitely, it's getting closer now, so definitely add this to your wish list. Here we go. Santa Claus will be here shortly. There we go. What do we got here? Alright. Empty. Bada boom. Alright, we got here ECEEN Solar Backpack Foldable Daypack with 5-volt power supply. Oh boy, this should be really cool for all you hikers out there, all you adventurous people. This would be a perfect one. Vloggers would be perfect. You could put a lot of cool stuff in here. Let's see what's this look like and how it runs. Alright, nice packaging. Power bag. You never know. This would be a perfect one in case something does happen. And especially with the solar. Unless we have like a total darkness. And we might have a little trouble, but I don't think that will ever happen. But here we go. We got this. This is like a carrying. Oh wow. This is neat. Bada boom. There's the solar. And here we go. Whoa. So thank you guys at ECEEN. How does this work? Alright. Here's the back. Here's my key in the front. Okay. Bear with me, guys. I'm just getting it situated. Oh boy. That's pretty cool. In there, I guess. I hope I did this right. It has that new bag smell. Oh yeah. Okay, here we go. Alright, I'm getting there, guys. Okay. Alright. This is what the front looks like. You got the spot for your earbuds or the cable for this, for the solar panel, or you could charge your Nintendo Switch. You can shove your system in there, tablet, iPhone. Oh, this is nice. I got Velcro. Oh, I see the Velcro. Bam. See? Got the Velcro right there. And then you can hold maybe your wallet, your ID, some credit cards, keys also in there. This is nice. It's like the James Bond of backpacks. This is definitely technology. Really cool. Guys made a really good design here. Nice material too. I mean, you can shove a lot of stuff in here. Got that. Got some straps here. Probably put your keys on it. Here's the backing, what it looks like. Here's the back. Got these. I'm not going to attempt to cut it, but I'm pretty sure this is really good material that you don't have to worry about somebody walking behind you and cutting it, trying to steal it from you. This is definitely a nice setup. Orange shirt right here. I'm gonna test that out too. I'm gonna go grab my other phone. There we go. See? Definitely adult size. And check them out, see if they have kid size and other styles available too. But there's a back. See, just strap this on your back. Everybody should know how to use a backpack. But this is something different. Got the solar, so you can strap it right there. That'd probably be the best spot for it. Go that way. And then take that up the hill, up the mountains, get it charged up by the sun. Dang, that's a lot of solar panels. So we got here, got the manual. Let's see what it says. Charging the battery. You can charge it from the sun. Charging it from computer to USB. The battery should fully charge from flat for about 2 hours. So 2 hour charge time on this thing once you just charge it from PC or an outlet, or you could just use the sun. But that is cool. And we're definitely going to check out the how it charges. Give me a second to grab the phone. And see, solar bag, 1-piece battery, 1-piece micro USB. Got that. Solar bag is weather resistant, which means it will resist the occasional rain or snow. Not designed for immersion in water. So don't go like deep sea diving in it and think you'll not do anything damage, but do not do that. 2 to 3 hours fully charged. Direct sunlight, we all know that. Can I charge my devices on cloudy day? Yes, you can. No, you cannot use your home lighting to charge it. So, but you can use your PC or any other wall socket outlet to charge it. You could. There's that. Get this out. Get out. Okay. There we go. I'm not sure what this. Oh, this is a battery. Oh, that's where it charges. Okay. So right there, you just charge it at the USB slot right there. See it? So that's cool. Like I said, you could keep your cell phone in here charging also, or another power pack, one of those portable chargers. You can always have that charging it. This is nice. Okay, I'll be right back. Alrighty, here we go. Got my tablet. I'm going to charge that thing up. Should be easy. So you stick your USB right here and just slide it. Oops. Bada boom. Then you can close it. Kind of like that. And then, oh boy. Get situated here. Don't need that one right now. So I got it here. Get the Velcro lined up. Oh, you can strap it in. Okay. I see how this goes. See? Maybe not. Okay. So there you go. And let's see. Charge. YummyBazzaar. Give it a second. Let me shut this off. See if you can pick it up. Come on. Let's load up. Should be good to go in a second. Alright, come on. Come on, tablet. Being stubborn. Usually he pops right up. Alright, there it goes. Got it. There it goes. It is. Oh, right there. Charging. Really cool. Definitely happy with this one. So if you guys want to get a good one, something different, this would be the way to go with the ECEEN Daypack Solar Backpack. Take this on the road with you and never run out of battery. So really cool. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.